Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on your Ford Ranger. First, ensure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your specific model. You'll also need a soft cloth. Park your truck on a flat, stable surface and turn off the engine. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into a raised position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade off the arm. Repeat this for both sides. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. Finally, test your new wipers. Turn on your Ford Ranger and use the windshield washer fluid to check their operation. Ensure they make full contact with the glass and provide streak-free cleaning. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers. Regular cleaning of your blades can extend their lifespan, keeping your visibility clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.